did the 25-yard high zero, which you witnessed just a little bit ago. Now we're going to learn what the mechanical offset is. What's going to happen here is row 1 is going to be 15 yards. Row 2 is going to be 10 yards. Row 3, 5 yards. Row 4 is going to be 3 yards. Now I'm going to aim center mass of group 1. Then I want to see where the bullet impact is. Point of aim will be here, bullet impact will be wherever it is. I'm going to try to learn that within my ability, and on my next one I'm going to hold off and try to hit center mass by holding high. Once I learn that, then I'm going to try to repeat it 3 more times. Okay? Let's give it a try. "15 yards, right at the bottom of the 3-inch circle. 10 yards, just outside of the circle. 5 yards, look at that drop. Okay, 3 yards, even more so. So as you can tell, the closer I get, the lower the aim, the lower the point of impact is from the point of aim. I'm aiming here, I hit this low. Now, if you take that measurement, roughly, from the center of the 8 where I'm aiming at to the shot group, and I reverse it, you can see it's equal to my mechanical offset. Let me show you that on the other side, okay? So if I take this distance from here to here, all right, I'll hold my fingers the same distance. It's the exact same amount of distance. It's the same from here, from the center line of sight, the center line of bore is my mechanical offset. So this is where higher mounts, the higher the optic is above the center line, causes a drastic mechanical offset, closer ranges. But I also get faster on sight because the stock's lower in my shoulder. We'll get into more of that here in a little bit. But now let's try to compensate for this by holding over. That's what we're about to do. All right, let's do it. All right, as you can see, I'm starting to figure it out. It's not perfect. Had one strayer, one flyer. Need to hold it a little bit higher. Here, this one was aimed about right there, so I'm learning about that much. Same thing on this hold off. I'm aiming at the bottom of this 8. So now what I got to do is use my reticle design, and I was measuring distances and seeing how it fit. So on this run, I'm going to move forward at a faster pace and see if I can start programming it in my brain how to hold off. Okay, that's what we're about to do. All right, let's do it. Okay, so that last round, we did a little bit more faster clip coming up to the yard lines, trying to program the hold-offs inside my brain housing group. As you can see, all shots are in the black. Every shot is inside a 3-inch circle at each distance. So I would consider this firearm to be ready to go for home defense use. It's now sighted in, and we're good. I understand the mechanical offsets. I understand my near range and the far range that I'm able to make impacts on with point of aim, point of impact with this optic in this caliber. So now let's get a little bit more dynamic. Let's get a little bit more visual stimulus on a humanoid target so I can start processing this mechanical offset, okay? So I can start processing this on a threat target. All right, let's get to it.